Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Thanks so much for joining me. So I'm just coming on to do a flip through of a project I finished recently. Yes, from my unfinished pile. And this is now in my Etsy shop if you're interested. It does come as a bundle. So the journal itself, it's more of a notebook than a journal, but there is room for you to, add your own stuff to it. I've made that from corrugated cardboard, and I made it as part of the 15-minute desk dash challenge that I did. It was like a bonus video to say thank you. So I did that, and then what I thought would be really cute is I made this gift bag from a music sheet and decorated it up, and inside is a few pieces that I made in the challenge. So I'll show you the notebook first of all. So this project, as I mentioned in the original bonus video, this was something that I was inspired by Tanya from Tatty Treasure to do. So I will link her video down below. Essentially, it's corrugated cardboard. And over the summer, I was doing a lot with cardboard at the time, and I ended up spritzing gold and copper like paint and spritzy spray all over it. And then I just basically squirreled away the cardboard panels. There is on the back as well, so the whole thing is made out of the cardboard. I squirreled them away for like more of an autumnal time of year. And then as part of the challenge, I came in and added these trims that are glued on, but I've also sewn around the edges. Added a book plate, lined with scrapbook paper. And then I've used one of my kits, which is I've forgotten what it's called. I think it's called the Naturalist's Diary. So I've used some of that with also, tea-dyed paper. I've got decorated envelope there, but I've tried to do not too much to it. This is some Ledger Digital from Mandy at Sunflowers and Doors. So I have tried to keep it neutral, so you can add your own embellishments, your own pockets, write in here. But it's just like a mix of different papers, really. I just wanted it to be, quite an interesting thing. So I've got some Edith Holden book page. That's more of my digital. And then again. And then lined with the scrapbook paper. And then, of course, we've got the lace edging, which goes all the way around. So it gives it a nice edge down here. And then basically what I did on the front, I've done on the back as well. So it's a really, interesting journal, I think. Really, really fun to do, really quick to do. And it's finally finished. So I've got that. And then I wanted to show you how cute is this little gift bag? I was following some kind of Facebook video, I think, actually. And then inside, as I said, I've just got various pieces, most of which were I made in the challenge. So there's a little like bonus button cluster. This I've obviously done previously. These are one of the Ferrero Rocher clusters. I made this in the challenge though. This is a little tag from packaging. I made a couple of clusters in the challenge, so that's those. And then I made this little like fabric word dangle in the challenge. And this is another challenge one. This was a washi tape tag, so space to write on the back. And I think I made these previously. This was just me using up scraps, so I've put that in there. And again, this is something I made before where I've just used a paper bag to make this little notebook. And then there is a pocket in the front, I think, somewhere. Yes, there is a pocket in there, which I might put something in. I might put like a little card in there, but we'll see. So that is essentially my little Woodland bundle. As I mentioned, I am putting that in the Etsy shop, so by the time you see this video, it should already be listed. So I will link below the listing link. And yeah, I hope you like it. Just on the Desk Dash challenge, a lot of you did join me live for the challenge, which was so much fun. I'm really glad that you did, and I hope that you got something out of it. But for anyone who missed it, you might be new to my channel, or you might have just missed me talking about it. I am trying to find a way to make it so that the challenge is available to sign up for any time of year. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to get that sorted in the new year. So stay tuned in case you do want to find out more. If you do, then I do recommend subscribing to my email list, because that's usually where I share information like first and foremost, just because it's easy for me to send out a quick email about something. So I will leave the link to subscribe down below in case you haven't seen my emails yet. Otherwise I will post up something on YouTube or Facebook or something as well, but as I say, email is just usually the first place that I share things, because it's just easy to send an email. Anyway, so I hope you like this little bundle, and as I said, this will be in my Etsy shop. And yeah, I just thought it would be really fun to pair the challenge notebook with things that I made in the challenge, and then I just kind of like turned it into essentially a 10 piece set. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed seeing that. And for anyone who's been keeping an eye on me behind the scenes, this was another project finished from my pile of unfinished projects. And sneak peek, I do actually have another project which is nearly finished, which is this little Christmas folio. I just need to put some advent calendar type numbers inside it, but I'm actually making a digital as we speak for that, all being well. So I will share a flip through of that hopefully next week when I've got that one completely finished. Whoops. But I'm definitely making headway through my list, so that feels really good. And if you haven't caught my video talking about unfinished projects, I will link it down below, because I do know that some of you have found it very helpful for getting your thoughts unmuddled, just like it was helpful for me. So I will link it in case you've not seen it. All right then. Well, thanks so much everyone, and we'll speak very soon. Bye bye for now.